Hi, in this video we will download and install JDK in our Windows system. So in the Google, you need to just download Oracle java.oracle.com. After that, you need to just go to technologies and choose Java SE. It is for standard edition. After that, you need to just go standard edition 8 Java. So basically, UI is always changed after 2 to 3 months. So currently, the current version of Java is standard version is 15. So it's your call. I'm just using Java 8. So just go to JDK and just download. After that, here is a lots of versions based on your Windows or Linux or which type of operating system you are using. So basically you need to find the version of Windows. Go to the system. Here you can find which operating system you are using. I am using 64-bit. So we need to just download Windows 64-bit. Enable. That's it. If it is required, if you have accounts already, so it is suddenly download. Yeah. After that, you need to go to next. So basically it is just asking the path. So I'm just choosing by default, it is choosing C program file Java JDK. You can also choose change the path. Yeah, here is JRE is also installing. So JRE install for Java runtime environment. Yeah, that's it. So if you want to check Java install or not, go to CMD. So here is the Java. Yeah, thank you for watching the video.